few weeks away from the end of 2021, a year so many of us thought would be the end of the pandemic, right? But the number of people who've died from COVID-19 continues to climb. Brandon Lewis from our National Verify team looks into whether this year was the deadliest so far for COVID-19.
The World Health Organization estimates COVID-19 has contributed to the deaths of more than 5 million people. 1 in 6 of them were Americans. A Verify viewer asked us whether more people died this year from COVID-19 than in 2020. So let's verify. Have there been more COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. in 2021 than in 2020? Our sources are the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Dr. Amesh Adalja with the Johns Hopkins Center for Health Security, and Jason Kinderchuk with the University of Manitoba. The CDC tracks deaths where COVID-19 was a contributing factor. In all of 2020, there were around 385,000 deaths. So far in 2021, as of December 10th, nearly 406,000 people have died due to COVID-19. So it's true, there have been more COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. in 2021 than in 2020. Researchers at Johns Hopkins found people took fewer precautions this year as pandemic fatigue set in, just as cases from more transmissible variants like Delta began rising.
Many people were still social distancing, wearing masks, being really meticulous. A lot of that has worn off.
Doctors also point out the U.S. has a lower vaccination rate than many other industrialized nations, which means the country is more susceptible to the worst effects of new variants, ultimately raising the death toll. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis. To receive daily fast facts to your phone, text VERIFY to 202-410-8808.